Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have my Macy's beauty bag and my Allure beauty box to unbox or unbag for you. Macy's does look a little different this month because I had changed the address, but they sent it to my parents while I was still there. So luckily I got it before I left, but I had changed it so it was supposed to be sent back to where I am during the school year. But for some reason they decided to send it elsewhere. So I'm hoping that my February bag will go to the right place. But since I was traveling, I threw out as much packaging as possible so that it would be a little easier to carry. This is what the bag looks like this month. It has that big snowball kind of puffy thing on it. It is clear, which is kind of nice. And then as always, you get this little card that tells you what everything is and how much it is. And this month they had a $10 reward certificate in there. And in the past, I've said that you can use them in store and online, and it's a great deal. That deal has kind of changed because even though the card says they have free shipping on beauty, they have changed, and now it's like a $50 purchase, maybe $49, that you get free shipping now on Macy's. But if you are a Macy's card holder or Star Rewards, I don't know how that works. If you have Platinum, I think, or maybe Gold, they changed it all. You're still supposed to be able to get free shipping on beauty and everything now. So it just depends. It's not quite as good of a deal, but it's a better deal for other people. It's very confusing. So Macy's and Allure are both $15 a month. That's why I like to unbox them together. Macy's always comes really early in the month, and Allure always comes really late. Like I just barely got it. So let me know if you would rather me split these up and do like Ipsy and Macy's and do Allure by itself. If you'd rather see it earlier in the month, I would be really happy to do that, especially now that I don't have Sephora. But let me know what your thoughts are down below about that. All right, the first thing in here is from Tony Moly. It is I'm Lemon Gel Eye Patch, which is brightening. And this retails for $4, so not too bad. I'm a little nervous about lemon, because that citric acid sounds like it might be too strong around your eyes. I don't know, I don't put a lot of acids on my eyes or around my eyes because that seems not smart. Next in here is Daisy by Marc Jacobs. This is a really nice scent. I have a full-size bottle of this. I collect the Daisy scent, so I have many versions of this. It does retail for $104, and I have a friend who I'm sure will enjoy that sample because I definitely don't need it. Next up is Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion. This one is smaller than the ones I've seen in the past. Usually the other ones are about this big in the tube. This is a great exfoliator. I do use this one. I have full-size bottles. I have sample sizes of it. Now I have a tiny sample size. It retails for $79, which is ridiculous. I think the blue one is just as good, and it's like $49, so it's like $30 cheaper, but it is a good one, so I'm happy to get that one in this box. Next up is from Kiehl's. This is a Glow Formula Skin Hydrator. I'm going to peek at this one. So it is a moisturizer. I was hoping it was like a serum, and it retails for $38. I've had hit and miss with Kiehl's. Some of it has been really good, and some of it I've just felt really about. It hasn't been fantastic, so we'll see what that one is like. And then this is a primer from Philosophy, the Anti-Wrinkle Miracle Worker Primer. Man, those white bottles just don't want to show up anymore. So this retails for $38. And then finally in here is my favorite moisturizer of all time. It is the Clinique Moisture Surge. This is a really tiny bottle of it. This is 0.24 full ounces or 7 milliliters. 7 milliliters, that's so tiny. I think this is the smallest other than the perfume of any of them. Yeah, this one that's 7 milliliters too. Are they 7.5 grams? That doesn't help. And 5 milliliters. These seem really tiny. I've been really happy with Macy's. I'm not really sure. I'm kind of I'm getting less happy. Like this, this one is not my favorite. I mean, I love, these are two of my favorite products that, and I'll make sure I use them, but they're not something that I need for sure. A new primer sounds interesting. This one, I'm a little on the fence about. And then to get something from Tony Moly, I know that it's a full size, but it's just, it's not the best. And this is a really old perfume. Like, I wish they would send some newer scents out. Anyway, let me know what your thoughts are on Macy's, and let's move on to Allure. So they've changed the packaging on Allure this year, and it now comes in a bag like this, and you still have the little booklet, which is nice. But the funny thing about this is, like I've seen some unboxings already, and some people's theirs arrived broken, and I'm not really sure. Like, I liked Allure because their packaging was more eco-friendly, because that box you could recycle really easily. This, from what I've seen, is they're going to send you this same plastic bag every month, and how many of these do we need? And if they're breaking already and they're like splitting, that doesn't seem that great. Let me know what your thoughts are about it. Anyway, the first thing in here is from Amika. It is a soul food nourishing mask. Okay, it is for your hair. It retails for $28. I don't really do masks. That like sitting there for 5 to 7 minutes thing, just, I just don't have the patience for it, and I don't really need to do them because my hair is healthy as it is. I know that's not what you probably want to hear. So I will be putting this in a pass along pile because it's just not something I will probably use. Next in here is from Sunday Riley. It is the CEO Glow. So this is new. Vitamin C and turmeric face oil, and it retails for $80. I wonder if that's the full size, because this is the half ounce, and I know they sell half ounce and full ounce. That's what it looks like on the skin. It kind of reminds me of the Ulla Henriksen Truth. It goes with the Truth Serum, but it's a rose hip oil with vitamin C. It really, like the coloring, the scent of it really reminds me of the same thing. So although it kind of does smell a little bit like the Luna oil, like it has that slightly grassy scent to it. I'm excited to try it though. Oils take me forever, so this will probably take me 2 years to use because I have oily skin as it is, and like I don't use them during the day. I only use them at night, and not every night either. But I am excited to try new stuff from Sunday Riley because I've liked pretty much everything I've tried, at least treatment-wise. Moisturizers, not so much. Then we have an A+ high dose retinoid serum. This is supposed to have a 6.5% power, whatever that means. Everybody does their retinols a little bit different. This retails for $85 for the full size. I'm pretty sure this is not a full size of the hair mask either. So that's good. I love retinols. My skin loves retinols. I use them pretty much every night. I know like people say you need to ease into them. My skin doesn't. It just is like, retinol's great. No reactions. I've never had a reaction to retinol. And even the more high dose ones, my skin still seems to love and will take every night, because I do that. I use a retinol almost every night. Next is from Way. It is a scalp and body scrub, and this retails for $38. It's not full, that's for sure. That's not going to be very much use. It smells really good though. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm excited to try this, like definitely excited about this. Then we have 2 sticks in here. This first one is from Douche. Let's see if we can find it in the book. It is a crayon in Winterberry. It retails for $22. I've tried a lot from this brand. We've gotten a lot from this brand in different things, but I don't think I've ever, went on pretty pretty smoothly. It could be because I just put the oil on though. And that's a nice color. It reminds me of the one I just got in Allure. No, Ipsy. Sorry, Ipsy. And then the next one in here is from Mally. It is a Shadow Stick Extra in Burnished Bronze. I'm not going to swatch that because I don't use shadow sticks, so I'm just going to put this in a giveaway. This seems to be full size. It retails for $25, so 2 full size. That's great. And then I have one more thing in here, which does not seem to be listed in the book. And there's the empty bag. This is an NCLA polish in Call My Agent. That's a pretty color. So for this box, I mean, we got a full-size nail polish. Excited about that. Full-size shadow stick, I will pass on. That's fine. Full-size lipstick, lip crayon. It's a nice color and it's appropriate for the time. Then we got a scalp and body scrub, which I'm excited to try. Retinol, always love retinol. This is at least the half size, so they do sell this exactly how this is. Face oil, and then the hair mask. So 2 things I'll be passing along and everything else I'll be using. So I definitely think Allure won this month. Allure has been really killing it lately. I feel like for $15, it's probably one of the best values, and I feel like I use more stuff from Allure than from others. Like, I might not use this lip crayon very often, but like, I'm definitely going to use up that scrub. I go through scrubs so fast. Definitely going to use up that retinol. The nail polish I'll use, the facial oil. It's going to be kind of hit and miss on that one, but I feel like I have more stuff that I will use up and actually use than in Macy's, and Macy's has smaller sizes this month. They've been killing it, so hopefully hopefully March will be good again. I just saw the spoils for February. I'm not going to say anything, but yeah, that's going to be an interesting unboxing. I'll just say that. Anyway, let me know what your thoughts were on Allure and Macy's. Do you get them? Are you happy with them? What are your thoughts on the boxes this month? Like, I feel like January is kind of the slumpy month, so let me know what your thoughts were. Love hearing your comments and reading them down below. I hope you are all having a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.